Now I'm on the official website of Microsoft. Link to this web page will be below the video. After web page was loading, need to a little bit scrolling down. And when you see a heading Create Windows 10 installation media, connect your USB flash drive to PC or laptop and click on the blue button Download Tool Now. Click, and our app is called Media Creation Tool. Open it, applicable notices and license terms. Click on button Accept. What do you want to do? In this video we create Windows 10 bootable USB flash drive. So I click on next option, create installation media. Okay, then click on button next. When we see heading select language, architecture and edition, this is the options which we can change. To change it, need to uncheck this field and we can change these options. Click on it and I choose English United Kingdom. Edition Windows 10. Yes, in this option you will not see Windows 10 Home or Windows 10 Pro. This is a multi-edition. This version contains Home and Pro. And architecture 64 or 32 or both. Okay, then click on button next again. Choose which media to use. In this video we create a USB flash drive. Click on next button. And in next window you see a heading select a USB flash drive. And you see a media creation tool, find my USB flash drive, like local disk F. And if I open my PC folder, you see a local disk F. Also you can see my USB flash drive have some information. Don't worry, don't need to format this local disk. Media creation tool will do all it need for you. So click on button next again. And we need to wait some time. Progress will reach 100% 2 times. When the process completes, you will see a notification. Click on the finish button. As an example that the bootable USB flash drive was created successfully, I will open it and you see the Windows image files. Put like, write comment and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.